This week's video, the one you're watching now, will be on YouTube. Next week's video will be on Patreon.
This episode is an experiment to see if I can have fun while I'm making an episode, because normally it's like...
I think you would have picked like this.
No. See, I wouldn't. Dude, I'm heavy duty. I'm built like a water buffalo. I need like...
They don't even have the kind that I want.
Like this is too light.
It's not good. They used to have this amazing blue and white stuff that was really thick.
I think we go chains, brother.
Ugh. That's a whole other world, though.
You know, like, oh yeah, that's heavy. Something like this.
This spirited man has a theory, and it's a theory that he hates. He wants his theory to be wrong, but a great deal of his data supports his theory. And his theory is this.
Oh, f***. We suppose we open...
And his theory is this. The amount of focus needed to complete a worthwhile project tends to take the fun out of said project. And fun, in and of itself, is destructive to worthwhile projects.
I'm looking for blue candy cane rope and they don't have it.
It's a shame.
Focus that corrodes fun. 1. Scheduling. Keeping to the schedule. Punctuality and perfect attendance. 2. Shooting can be fun. Building can be fun. But shooting himself building requires too much focus and corrodes the fun of both. 3. Backup plans and backup plan execution. Backup plans for each potential failure point require too much focus to make the project fun. Of course, Home Depot didn't have the rope I wanted.
I'm not complaining that this job isn't fun, nor am I appealing for help. I can't figure out how to work with a professional camera person. I get a lot of messages from people on Patreon. I'm a camera person, I can blah, 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 but like, okay, I just figured out I needed this shot like, I don't know, 20 minutes ago. It's 5:05 a.m. on a Thursday. Like, what am I just gonna call you and be like, get here in 2 minutes? And I need it right now at this point in the edit. All of the parts of the process happen sort of simultaneously. I'm writing, shooting, not editing. But when I'm editing, I'm writing and shooting sort of simultaneously, because there's always refinement, and it's only a week to make each episode. So the process gets mixed in throughout the week. But there is something in my conscience that says it's wrong for me to not have fun, because this is a blessing to be able to do this for a living. And I guess this episode is just a tweak to import some fun into the shooting part of the process. And that's why I wanted to do it with Johnny.
Lowe's.
Johnny is not a trans woman. Johnny is a spirited man. Sorry, fellas, he ain't gay neither, nor is Bobby. But Johnny is fun.
And so I just want to have fun today.
Okay.
I want to see if I can do this process and have it be fun, because normally I'm a neurotic mess trying
Fun
to...
is not your forte.
No, not
mine.
anymore. It's yours, that's
Relaxing
right.
and fun are my two favorite things.
That's right.
So this is why I'm a
very
good candidate to do an activity with that's gonna be fun and easy. I gotta be honest, Lowe's is a lot sexier than Home Depot.
Yeah?
It's just giving a sexier vibe to me. I don't really attend either that often. We did it.
We're buying the whole school.
Buy the whole thing.
Today is a Lowe's day. They have the blue that I like, and then they also have red. I've never seen that before.
We got it. Huh? What's more American than red, white, and blue rope? It's probably the best damn piece of burned rope I've ever seen. Top 3.
It's pretty good, let me
Yeah,
see.
the rope Olympics.
Try not to go in, try not to breach that line.
Okay.
On this side. Nice, but, oh, you know what? I wasn't clear with my instructions.
We wanted a perfect circle, but I wasn't specific enough in my instructions to tell John to try to stay as close to this circle as he could, and that was basically the most important instruction, and I just took it for granted.
They're gonna torch me on YouTube.
Well, listen, this one's going on Patreon first, and then in 6 months it's going on YouTube, so if you don't like it, just be like, "F***ing change it." But no, this is, it might roast you a little bit.
They're gonna destroy me.
No, don't worry about that. Don't read the comments, man. All right, go ahead.
Huh?
Oh, yeah.
Fucking top of the line, buddy.
Can I get you to do, run your fingers over it like you're feeling it? Slower. Slower. Yeah, baby. Nice. Okay. All right. Okay, now the fun part. Sanding. Oh no. Not long enough. If Johnny wasn't here, I'd be screaming and cursing at myself. And just racing the clock. But the beautiful thing about Johnny being here is I don't really care. Everything's gonna be just fine, right, Johnny?
Who doesn't want to build a swing on the side of a 90-degree hill? It's fun to work in these conditions.
Yeah, but don't you see, like, you swing out, you're way high up.
Yeah, again, I'm not extreme. All this,
Oh,
I'm
that's
going,
right.
You go out that far, that's got bad news written all over it to me. This is just a fucking death trap. This whole thing is just one wrong slide, and I'm ending up in fucking Kaiser Permanente for the next fucking month. There you go.
First try, baby. Yes. Okay, so this is the loop, and this rope goes up over the limb, back down to this rope. Gotta pull this rope through this rope over the tree.
I gotta trust my kid's life on this?
Well, I wouldn't trust my fat ass up there.
He's brave, but he ain't stupid. Alright, so like this. I feel like such a coward. Okay. You. Oh! It's just the tension. It's just we had one of these oaks break and fall on us this summer.
Yeah, I get it. It seems...
The branch just isn't strong enough. Alright. Ah! Why does it keep doing that? Ah! Why does it keep doing that?
I don't know.
I think it's even worse than I think it is. I think it's the core on the inside of this rope snapping. Like, this isn't strong rope.
Well, it's from Lowe's. It's supposed to be the best in the business.
So, I can hear it.
I told you we should have gone to the rope district. Ropes on Main. I'm not testing it. I don't want to go out and just have the whole tree come down. But this is fun. We're doing like little baby steps. Oh, sister.
Like, what is that snapping noise?
I feel like I don't want to find out. Oh.
I'm telling you, it's the core of that rope snapping. Well, this is a failure, I guess.
But we had fun.
Yeah. What the hell?
Well, we built the swing. It works. Hello. Whew.
See, the idea is to swing out over here where it's nice and scary, but it's too scary and the rope we don't trust.
I had to pick my son up from school, so we had to stop building the swing. Next day, torrential downpour, couldn't get to the swing. Next day, editing, couldn't get to the swing. We had fun, but didn't finish. It's still not done. Had I scheduled like a madman, had I prepared for the failure points like a madman, had I shot myself and built myself like a madman, yeah, maybe the swing would be done right now, but I wouldn't have had any fun. So, couple holes in my theory, because the project, the worthwhile project, was this video, and I guess it's up to you guys to decide whether or not it was worthwhile, and it's basically done. On this week's Patreon-only video, let me tell you about my truck.
It's taken 5 years of R&D, 5 years of refinement to dial in this gear.